we here yet? Are we here yet, Jaden?
Yes.
Yes, we are. We are here. We are here, Jaden. Okay, so we are here. We're at the beach park. And we are going to do some fishing and swimming.
We didn't even be tuba diving.
Like they go do diving and come back. Yeah, this beach is good for diving too.
Yeah, you can even.
All right, let's go do some fishing, guys. Yeah. All right, we are on the beach now. The boy is running away from me. So far they are from me. Well, there's a little rough today. See them up there? So we're gonna go to that rock right there and we're gonna do some fishing. Yay! Like this beach right here at the seaside. Like you could just put on a pot and start cook some fish. And sit down under the cool shade trees them and relax and eat some fish. Some roast fish. Right, Titi?
How would I roast the fish?
Roast them?
Yeah.
Roast them with fire.
Huh?
Roast them with fire.
How?
But I like this little area right here.
Mommy.
Come, Peppy, don't go there. No, we don't need no wood. The sea go all around the side. It's a beautiful sea, you know. Beautiful little spot. Like a private area right around there too. Nice. I like it. See? Coming way from up there. All the way up there. So, we're at the rock now. We're going to be putting up some chairs. Maybe I should put the chairs up here so in the cool. Yeah, I'm going to be setting up my chairs right here. Right here at this. Okay, I have my chair set up. We don't need more than 2 chairs right now. We have a tent. Let me go see what these boys up to now. Alright, so now I'm finally on the rock. It's beautiful over there. Beautiful water for fishing. Don't go so further.
Like right here, so that's the
It's not too bad.
Huh?
It's not too bad. I like it here. For them. Nice ship out there.
I got the firewood. Mommy, I got the firewood.
We're gonna fish right here.
And I got the firewood.
Husband setting up the
Mommy, I
his
got
fishing
Mommy,
rods.
Even I got the firewood.
You got firewood to cook fish? You're gonna be cooking some fish? We're not gonna cook any fish today, baby. It's a nice piece of stone right here for fishing. Very nice. Goes all the way up there. It's nice. You want the fish to come? Yeah? You got fish food for them? Yeah. Daddy fixing up the fishing rod. Daddy catch a marrows. Catch something. You catch something, Daddy. What a big fish. Seaweed. Daddy catch seaweed. Come, Titi, come this way, baby. Daddy's gonna throw the line out again. No, No, Jaden, you gotta sit. Yeah. Oh, where are they? Look like it's still up in the air. Oh, where are they, puppy?
Right there, I see the line.
You see the line?
It's invisible.
You gone anywhere? That look like you gone away. Do you have weight on it? Maybe you need weight.
Catching a fish did it one time.
I would love for you to catch a fish though. I'd love to see a fish come up on the line.
You want me to catch a fish?
Yeah, I want you to catch a fish.
Daddy, do you want me to catch a fish?
Daddy's setting his line. No, 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 you guys sit back. Sit back and wait. No, 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 you gotta sit and wait for Daddy to come. Sit and wait for Daddy to come. Now I sit in the man will go.
Daddy! We're hit you now.
So you're stuck in it there and let us stay. The fish start biting, you see the line running away. That's a great idea. Where do you think you're going, Jada? So my husband is unknotting the line. It's all tied up. We may not catch any fish this evening, but let's see. What is it, Daddy? Think we'll catch no fish? Let's keep our hopes high, right? Finding what treasure? What treasure are you finding? Come, Jaden.
Let's move the pot.
Come, Jaden. The water is gonna get you.
Let's move the pot. Let's move the pot. Okay, so let's move the pot.
What is that, TJ?
It's pot. I have a shovel and a shovel and my foot right there.
Okay.
Your daddy's foot.
Where you going, Jaden? All right, this is gonna get you. Oh goodness.
Nice.
The sea is nice? Yeah, the sea is so nice. The sea is very beautiful. Beach is your best friend? Yes, the beach is your best friend. It's my best friend too. Look at that crab. Yeah. Is he a crab or a spider? What is he?
Mommy, no.
He's a crab, TJ. See?
Mommy, we just try to roll.
He's a crab.
Mommy, we just try to roll.
You don't want to get the crab?
No, I don't want to eat no crab.
Okay. He's going away.
My dad wants to put.
He's going away. Jaden helping his dad to fix the hook. We're not catching any fish, so soon be going home. There's no fish biting today.
No, don't cut anymore. Don't cut anymore. We're not cutting anything else, okay?
You like to help Daddy to cut?
No, don't cut. No, Jaden, we're not cutting anymore. Son, we're not cutting anymore, okay?
You just want to cut, Jaden? You want to do the cutting job? See, Daddy putting on his bait. Baby fish bait. Puppy? Daddy, happy birthday, sweetheart. That's so nice of you, TJ, to bring cheer for Mommy. Good boy. That's good. We have the cheers. You can leave it right there, puppy. Good boy, TJ. You're such a wonderful boy. You're so helpful. Catching your good. see a baby fish, but the baby fish keep on dodging me. I'm gonna try and see if I get that baby fish.
Maybe we need
Yeah, each time I try to catch him, he runs under the stone. Right there.
We need to be needy. Like a ninja.
So I have a bottle set up to put the fish in. You see? Seems like they're so sensitive. Some bottles right here set up for that fish. But each time the fish see me or sense that I'm coming, he runs. He runs under the little hole. Right there he is. He's right in this little water patch, but he's hiding under this hole. He doesn't want to come out. See? He runs under the bottle. See? That's where he is. Did you guys see him? He keeps on going through the holes and hiding. There's another little one right here. But I can't tell you. He's going to be running away again. And they camouflage themselves to the stone stool. Oh boy. Don't you see one there? They keep on running to the rock. Dodging themselves. Gonna see them swimming again. They're swimming around, hiding me. They don't want me to take them home. It's okay. They don't want to come home with me today. It's okay if they don't want to come home with me today. Get them another time. What are you doing with that rock, Jaden?
They're not real, Jaden, you can't kill them.
What you do with the rocks?
No, them I can't
They're not there. Let me see them.
They're a snake.
But they look real.
I cut them in my
They're shrimp.
I just rock on them, everything.
You're killing them, Jaden. They're just fake ones, baby.
No, they're fake. They're not real.
You're killing them.
They're not real.
You're scared of them?
Yeah.
Oh Lord.
Hold it.
It's just
Plastic.
fake. See?
Plastic. They're not real.
It's not real, puppy.
Alright, put it back.
It's not real ones. You're not scared anymore?
No.
Oh, good boy.
Daddy, can I?
No, you can't shoot the bait. They're baits.
They're baits for Daddy to catch fish.
I'm a fishing rod on my own.
That's not a fishing rod. That sticks.
Daddy,
Throw away that stick, honey.
no, this is
No, we're gonna buy you a little small fishing rod.
if my name fishing rod is fishing.
All right, let's wait till Daddy come back. Come, baby. Come, TT. Okay, so you come back. That is just a stick. When you get your fishing rod, then you can do fishing. Come back this way, sweetheart. Oh, Lord. TJ going to do fishing with a stick. All right, come. Don't go no further. That's how you're doing fishing, baby? Before Daddy leave, I'll tell Daddy how to help you to fish.
I'm making
Let him have life. Leave the crabs. Come on, Guy. Leave the crabby. Leave crabby alone. No. Save crab.
Leave trouble.
Put him up here. Leave crab alone. Let crab live. Put him right there. No, you're going to see him crawling. Let's take the video. Let's take a picture with him.
Yeah.
Where is he? Crabby. Don't make no noise. Shh. They're sensitive. If you make noise, they won't move. See, he's putting out his toe. Look at him. See, he's putting out his toe. Look at him going to crawl. You see?
It's a diamond.
Yeah,
Then you
he's
touch
crawling.
a trap.
No, don't touch him. Don't touch him. Leave him.
Why?
Leave the crab. Let him go. No, Jaden, what are you going to do with that? Don't kill the crab. Don't kill the crab. We don't kill stuff, Jaden.
You want to kill the
See another
trap.
small one right there, crawling in the sand. Look at him. Look at him right there. There's a lot of crabs.
Yeah, this is for trap. This is trap one.
It's crabland.
Yeah, my dear trap one.
Crab city. There's a lot of crabs.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go back up the stone. See Daddy catching fish over there.
Yeah, and I take a fish right here. Oh, fishy.
Daddy checking the line, but next time and do fishing.
Mommy, let's keep on doing fishing.
We'll come back next time and do fishing. So he gets nothing. So it's an evening of nothing. Nothing fishing. Alright, Daddy, it's time to go home now, yeah, man. Time to go home. We come back one next day. Yeah, we come back on next day. You want to stay here? You love the beach? We'll come back on next day. So we go home now, Daddy, and then we come back on next day to do fishing. We can spend all day fishing. We can't stay here. You want to be a fisherman?
There's no fish.
You want to stay here and be a fisherman? Yes.
I guess we're going to come for early. Set the
Yeah,
line.
next time we come early and
Set the line, make it go on all day.
yeah, we're going to chillax, relax, enjoy the day. Sun is going down. Sun going down in the clouds. It's beautiful to watch the sunset goes down. It's a little cloudy, but still beautiful.
Yes.
Alright, so we'll be going home shortly. Alright, so we could not go home unless we get a dip in the water. So Daddy and the boys are in the water. Say hi! Hi! Yeah, I see them right there. So we really could not go home unless we get a swim. Enjoy the water. Even though we didn't get any fish, but we get a beautiful swim. We enjoy the beautiful water. And then after the water, we're gonna go home. Yay! Alright, now so we are ready to go home. We did not catch any fish, so now we're in the park. So we're gonna be leaving and go home, freshen up, get some food to eat. Yay! Alright. So I hope you all have fun watching the Salmon family, and I hope you will watch our videos again. Beautiful plane. So we really have fun today. We have Jamaican food. And we have a beautiful swim today. We enjoyed the ocean. We did some fishing, driving around. And it was just nice. We enjoy our day, and I hope you enjoy the view with us as well and enjoy our tour. Okay guys, that's it for now. See you later. Bye. Love you all.